although I am still unpacking and getting things together, we are about 80% there. We're about 80% there, you guys. And this is minus, of course, the DIYs and everything else that I want to get done. Still fighting spiders on a daily basis.
Bruh.
But we are, like I said, 80% done on pretty much unpacking and everything. The biggest thing is the third room. Like I said, most of the rooms have pretty much been somewhat unpacked, but I have done nothing to the third room. Really nothing.
Oh my god!
I have done really nothing to the third room, you guys, besides put up like a picture and then get my office stuff together, because of course it's also my office space and I gotta work. So that is set up for working purposes. But other than that, you guys, nothing's been done to the third room. This will be our first cooking video in the house, you guys. And I cannot find my trusty little turny thingy. I don't know. I could have sworn that I had found it, but I don't know where I put it. But I don't know, y'all. We just might not have it this video, which is fine. It doesn't matter for this moment anyway, because I'm making TK some pork chops. Yes, per normal, you guys. Per normal. Tomorrow he's probably going to get some chicken, but today it's going to be pork chops. Now with the pork chops, I'm not really putting a lot of honey garlic seasoning. I'm pretty much letting the steak and chop do its thing and pretty much overpower the flavoring for the most part. Because I feel like he has honey garlic stuff a lot. Like a lot. So I try to minimize it when I can. But I mean, he likes what he likes, you guys, so I'm not trying to take his honey garlic away from him. He likes his honey garlic, he wants his honey garlic. I don't really need to show y'all like the cooking process of the pork chops, but I will tell you guys what the main dish is going to be, you guys. And I found this recipe like on Pinterest, so I'm actually making it a little bit different, and I'm actually using like a canned corn, which is rare for me, but I couldn't find this particular corn in like frozen. And I didn't really want to cut kernels off of corn on the cob, y'all. So, because like I'm still tired and like recovering from doing all of this. It's been a lot, y'all. Like, I don't know what I can do to kind of get my energy up, y'all. But if y'all have any type of like energy boosters or energy techniques to kind of help your girl out, please let me know, because I be suffering over here like literally on a daily basis, and I genuinely need the help, and we'll take it where I can get it. I genuinely need any techniques that y'all can give me. So y'all have anything, please let me know to hype up my energy, boost it up. Because I'm telling y'all, I be suffering, y'all, like really suffering. I am dragging throughout the day. And the thing about it is my appetite suppressants were supposed to help with that, but they really have not been at all. I'm kind of in the mode of like, kind of what were they for? Because they're not doing what they were supposed to be doing. So, I don't know, y'all. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just... Alright, nice and seasoned pork chops on the skillet. Alright, y'all. So, let me break it down on why my lack of energy seems to really, really bother me. Because, like, usually, y'all, if I have that energy boost, like, I can get this house together, no problem, and quick and fast. But lately, and I'm not even gonna say lately, cause like I have been getting things done, and I've been knocking it out too, you guys. I've been literally knocking it out. Hey, did you just bite me?
No. Did you feel teeth?
Yes. Oh. But anyways, you guys, so literally I have been knocking it out, and maybe it's just my lack of sleep, honestly, because I have not been sleeping, and I've been going to bed like super, super late, and the stress and anxiety. So, I mean, maybe all of that could be playing like a huge part into kind of my energy levels. So, I mean, I could look into that too. But my energy just has not been very out at all. I've been worried about so many things. I've been feeling like depression higher than normal. I just want things to kind of get back on track. My finances are currently where I want them to be. It's just a lot going on right now, y'all, that I just want to get together, and struggle with the fact that it's not happening fast enough, and like all of that stuff, y'all. So there's that. I mean, I know it'll come together eventually, but my thing is, I'm just kind of overwhelmed and exhausted. I'm just looking for a resolution. Y'all know y'all girl tries to make it easy on herself and not do this much work. So I have to get all these dead parts off, cut the zucchini. I don't like these pieces. Cut that edge off. That. Shred that off. Jesus Christ. And then we're just gonna just slice it on down.
Oh my God! Someone are jerks.
What are you playing? Oh my! Since when do you like Fortnite? Fortnite is not your favorite. You ain't never played Fortnite a day in your life until today. TK, nobody stopped you from playing it. You just ain't never played it. Jesus Christ. Alright, y'all. So this recipe only calls for salt and pepper to season the zucchini with. But I actually added all the other seasonings. So slap your mama, onion powder, garlic salt, and a little bit of red crushed pepper. So I didn't use regular sea salt. I used the garlic salt in place of the sea salt. Because I like my vegetables to be flavored. We're not just going to do that plain old salt and pepper stuff. We don't do that over here, y'all. They can say that for the recipe if they want to, but we do full flavor over here, so that's cool for them. Not for me. And then as far as the zucchini goes, This is actually cooked to perfection for me, so I'm actually going to take it out. And the seasoning is really, really flavorful right now. It tastes delicious. I did taste one, y'all. Bomb.com. So I'm just going to take it out. We're going to set it to the side, and then we're going to cook our chicken. So I will be right back. Alright guys, so again, they wanted to do plain seasoning on this chicken, but your girl has to marinate to the fullest. So we're going to add a little bit of olive oil into this. Their only seasonings was the paprika, which we're going to add. Some chili powder.
I have maximum energy out.
Salt and pepper, y'all. That's all they wanted you to add, right? Sorry, no can do.
Seriously, so, mommy.
Again, we're gonna substitute that salt for some garlic salt. We're gonna add some slap your mama. We're gonna add some onion powder. We're gonna keep the same seasonings as we can to incorporate the veggies. A little bit of red crushed pepper, not much. And then we're also going to add some kicking chicken. And what this is going to do is it's just going to coat the chicken like a marinade. And then that way, when we actually put it in the skillet, it looks somewhat more flavorful and seasoned than just like your regular typical chicken that you just throw in there. Salt up. And like I said, y'all, it will serve as a marinade. And because of the darkness in the chili powder and also the darkness in the paprika, you will get a nice little coating over the chicken that will bring some coating, not coating, that will bring some color to it. And then it will be looking you mind. And it will wind up looking like this. And I actually thought this pack was gonna be bigger than what it was, y'all. Like this chicken, once I poured it in this bowl, seems like it was just a tiny bag of chicken. But anyways, this is our seasoned chicken, and we're just gonna dump that into our skillet, which also has some olive oil in it. We're gonna let it cook. Good job, baby.
I almost popped my back.
Oh my God, you sounded like your daddy. Alright, we're gonna let it cook. Alright guys, this is what our chicken is looking like. It is looking nice and delish. Nice and flavorful, nice and cooked, nice and seasoned. So the next thing that we want to do is we are going to be adding 2 tablespoons of butter to this. Which I already have prepared. So just drop it in there and let it melt down. And then we're also going to be adding some minced garlic. Alright, so y'all, I just went ahead and opened them. Like, it's so hard when you don't have your thing, but I don't have my thing, but the minced garlic. Alright. And then we're also going to be adding some lime juice to this recipe. good enough.
Yep, we posted 5
So we're just gonna let that melt down and just mix all of this in. Oh, dang. My bad, y'all. Because we know we need that light. Why you bump into the refrigerator like that? Perfect. Alright. Now we're gonna scoot that to the side. You gotta be kidding me. Oh my god.
Hey, Daddy, I'm in a different area.
Next thing we're going to be doing, you guys, is adding the zucchini and our corn all together in the same pot.
You have to join me.
And then it's going to be time to eat, you guys. So
I want you to.
stay tuned for the final product, y'all. I'll be right back. All right, y'all. This is the final result. I feel like it looks better on in the skillet than it does on my plate. But it's guess what it is, you guys. Like, I don't know. Maybe my better plates would help, but it is what it is. Nicely seasoned. But anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It is really flavorful and delicious though. So if you try this recipe, just let me know. Next time I will definitely use fresh corn. This will probably be the first time and very last time that you ever see me use canned anything. Because I don't use cans, you guys. I really don't. But they did not have any of the corn with the peppers in it. So frozen. So I did what I had to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think if you try this recipe. Until next time, guys, I will see you later.